Alright, I'm in the hoop house this morning about to get started on doing some bed prep, and I just wanted to show you I'm doing a little bit of cultivating here, and you can see these small weeds that are in the bed here of lettuce that we have set out. And when you are weeding, it is really good to get weeds when they're at this stage. I believe this is called the thread stage. You can see all the little roots of the weeds here that I've already cultivated. They look like little threads, and it doesn't take but just a few minutes to weed a bed when the weeds are in thread stage like this. Now if you let the weeds get big like that, it takes a lot longer. You have to pull them out by hand. So in your garden this year, if you can be on time and keep your garden to a high standard and waste as little time as possible pulling big weeds, and instead do it at the right time at the thread stage here, then you'll have a much more pleasant gardening experience. This is a nice homemade wire weeder that is great for cultivating these small weeds in tight spaces. So you can see here, it doesn't take hardly any effort to weed these. So that's my gardening tip for today, and I hope you all find it helpful. If so, subscribe and like our channel.